Oh my... Oh. Well, this thing is actually apparently quite heavy. I guess let's try to unpack it. It's apparently 10 kilograms. Yeah, come on. Open it. Oh, wow. Boop. Hey, that looks pretty good, you know? What do we have here? Some user's manual, I mean, regular stuff. And yeah, I mean, is that it? Oh, look at this. It's the wheel in all of its glory. Oh my god, this thing is heavy. Oh my, I didn't expect this to be so... I mean, I knew it's heavy, but I didn't expect this to be so heavy. It looks so nice. And I mean, like the whole motor is in the back. Jesus, this thing is heavy. But it feels good, like high quality. The little flappy paddles, they're tiny. Oh, they sound so weird. But they're so quiet. I don't expect that. This whole thing is really heavy, but it feels like so solid. These buttons? God damn, this feels actually amazing. The pedals are quite tiny, but this wheel rim size actually is the same size as Logitech. Okay, what else is in the box actually? Cable, a plug, nice. The power thingy. I see the mounts also. The little fan that actually cools this thing down, and a few bolts. Let's unpack this other box, which is the pedals. And you have two metal plates. They feel metal, and they will go on top of the pedals, I think. We have the pedal plate, which actually is metal. Like it's definitely metal because it's really cold. But it's actually not as big as I thought it would be. It's actually quite tiny. With this comes more USB cables. Yeah, USB-C to USB-C. More screws. Some attachable rubber pads to make it not slide. And lastly, this thing comes with the pedals. You know what? It doesn't feel too bad. It is definitely a harder spring. And this other one, I would hope this is like a light spring. What was that? What was that? They just cracked something open. Anyways, I hope that's nothing bad. Okay, this... Do they feel the same? No, this definitely, the brake pedal feels a bit harder. But it kind of feels similar though. And lastly comes this little box. It comes with a screwdriver! Oh my god, that's so cute! And this thing basically comes with a table clamp, which is really small actually. So let's begin packing. So yeah, I've partnered up with Cammus and they've sent me their Cammus C5 bundle, and this is my little unboxing slash first impressions video. If you're interested in buying Cammus products, be sure to use code TheDullis and you'll get a 5% discount when buying your Cammus products. So I managed to get them actually to work. It's a bit complicated to be fair. You see, you have to get these screws at the back. These screws are super tiny and my hands are just big, and it was quite tough to actually get them in, but once they're in, it was fairly decent. Okay, installing this plate was a bit easier, but still, like, they had these very little holes, but it was a bit easier this time. So after pedals, I went on to assemble the table clamp, and here I ran into some problems because I had this little tray for my mouse and keyboard, but the table clamp was just going a bit below it and there was no clearance for it. Installing everything else was quite easy. Because this wheel is so tiny, the fan is not even on the wheel rim, it's actually coming from the clamp, which is really interesting actually. And you can customize the height of your wheel, like the angle, which is really nice. And I mean, just take a look how small this clamp is. I mean, this whole wheel is just so compact, it's amazing. I did have some issues where some screws were not like fully screwing in, but with some elbow grease, it was perfectly fine. Okay, it's finally in. I know it looks like a mess. I still didn't have to connect everything back in, but this is really tiny actually. Just for comparison. This is my old wheel versus this wheel. They're the same size, at least the wheel diameter. Look at this. Look at this difference. Look how much tiny it is. Ooh. One thing that I am sad about is that I had to sacrifice my little table for my keyboard. So now I have to hold my keyboard on my lap and my mouse with its amazing cardboard mousepad on table, which is fine-ish. Installing software was actually pretty fast, and only took a couple minutes, and yeah, I was ready to go and play games. Oh my god, this is so smooth. Oh my goodness. Okay, you know what? I'm liking this already. Oh my god! This feels like day and night. Holy shit. Like, it feels... What? It feels like an actual car. It generally feels like so smooth. It doesn't feel like there's like random like gears like moving everything. Oh my god. It feels so smooth. Oh my god. It feels heavy also. I mean, I'm just not used to that. And it's quiet. Okay, I mean, I still can drive, but oh my god, this feels so great. Oh, there's a wait. I can change things up at this thing. Wait, I can make it like to it's showing. Wait, okay. I'm so sad. I saw people complain that this thing only shows you the speed, but as you can see now, I can change stuff. Oh my god. Wait, so now I can also like make it kilometers per hour or miles, and also like RPM lights to be different colors? There's different... Oh my god, there's different presets? What? Dude, that is insane. And you can also adjust the brightness? That's the most cool thing I've ever seen. I'm not even joking. This feels so good. Oh my god, this is unbelievable stuff.